friends, let's take a look at our handwriting today. Today we get to make the lowercase s. And it's a really fun letter to make. And as you notice here, that the little lowercase s is in between the two lines because it's a small letter. And when we make it, we make a little magic C, turn down, curve around. So it's a lot of curves in our S. So let's get started. All right, here's our big capital S that we practiced already. So look at the lowercase. It's just the same, only smaller. It has to be in between the lines. All right, so I'm going to start right here. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. All right, I'm going to start here at the dot. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. You have to take your time when you're making the S because there's a lot of curves and you got to keep it in between those lines. All right, here we are tracing again. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. Okay, go to the dot. Little magic C, curve down, turn around, or curve around. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. So when we're saying little magic C, it's much smaller than what we did yesterday that took up the whole spot. You're doing half of the spot here. So that's why they call it little magic C. All right, let's keep going. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. And again, slow and control when you're doing handwriting. Here is where I get to make my very own with no help at all. Again, keep it between the lines. I'm going to start right on the line. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. Ooh, I love how I did that one. I feel like I did my best work, so I'm going to check mine. Hopefully you check yours because you did great work. And I think this is the one that I am the most proud of. And then I can color my snowman because S is for snowman. Then we're going to take a look on the second page because we're doing 2 pages now. And these are words with S. So we're going to make the S in the word and then say it. All right? So let's start with this one. We're going to start at the dot. Do you remember what we have to say? Little magic C, curve down, turn down, curve around. Sun. And do you hear that S? That S makes that sound. Okay, here's a star. Let's make it. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. Star. Star. There's our star. All right. Oh, this guy. What do you think? Look at his face. How do you think he feels? Sad. So let's make it say sad by putting our S. You ready? Here we go. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. And you notice I'm still taking my time. All right. Now we're going to make the S for sit. That little boy is sitting, sit. So here we go. Little magic C, turn down, curve around. Wonderful. Sit. Now we're going to come over here and make the sea. That's the water, the ocean. Another name for the ocean or a body of water is sea. Okay, here we go. Let's make the S in sea. Little magic C, curve down and around. All right, and our last one, this was in our guided reading book for some of you guys. This is a seal, a seal. Let's make the S so it can say seal. Here we go. Little magic C, turn down, round. Beautiful. So you can color the the sun, star, the sad person, sit, the little kid that's sitting, the sea, and seal. Once you finish your beautiful work, I want a picture of page 30 and a picture of page 31. All right, boys and girls, have a wonderful day.